Hey everybody, today is July 12th, 2021. So I'm going to show you on how to date a Shark vacuum. Mostly like other vacuums that you get like Hoover Bissell, Dirt Devil, Eureka, Sanitaire, something like that. They have the date on the serial number there. Bissell's like the first two numbers like 06, so 2006. Old Hoover is like 0604, so June of 2004. Eureka is all like the newer Hoovers is manufacturer code. So anyway, show you how to date the sharks. So you want to go to the prong with the vacuum. You look closely on the left prong. This is from 2015, so May of 2015, 1915. So see right there, 1915. That's May of 2015 when the vacuum was made. Okay, on the navigator I got, this is navigators from 2017, January 2017, the second week of 2017. So that's how you date a Shark vacuum.